Be the reason someone believes in goodness today. A single act of kindness, a moment of pure goodness, can be the reason someone believes in humanity again. Imagine that. You have that power. So how can we be that reason today? A simple smile. Sometimes a smile is all it takes to remind someone that they matter. Words of encouragement. Compliment a friend, uplift a stranger, remind someone of their worth. A random act of kindness can transform someone's day. Hold the door open, pay for someone's coffee, check in on a loved one, lead by example. When you choose kindness, you inspire others to do the same. Think about it. When was the last time someone's kindness lifted you up? Now imagine passing that feeling forward. It creates a ripple effect. The world becomes brighter not because of grand gestures, but because of small, consistent acts of goodness. So today, choose to be the reason someone believes in goodness. Because what you give out, you get back tenfold. Let's make kindness the norm, not the exception.